Well, like the intro said, things happen. So I was hoping to get this video out quick. I thought once I took the drying rack back to the company that they would have the machine up and running quicker, but they didn't. 2 weeks later, and they're still just kind of messing around with it, trying to get some loose ends tied up since they haven't run it in a while. So needless to say, I'm not going to get footage of what I wanted to, which was thought would be a cool ending to the video, is to have a quick tour of the factory, or at least a tour of the machine, so you could actually see what that cooling rack actually did and how it worked. But it's not going to be on this video. So as soon as they get the machine up and running, I will be back there to get a video of that. It is kind of cool to watch how everything works and how the coffee beans are roasted and everything. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, enjoy the video of me putting the cooling tray back together. Thanks.